Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW, and today we got to take the X1 in. It's got a service light on and it needs an alignment from changing the springs. If you haven't seen that video, links above. I show you how to install lowering springs into your BMW. But we're heading up to the BMW gallery. We're going to drop this off, pick up a loaner. We just got a bit of a blast of winter and it's supposed to be like a high of minus 21 degrees Celsius, which is freaking cold. So let's go drop this one off and I'll show you what the service light looks like and how to access what it's actually calling for. Let's jump inside the X1. So you can see it had the service now. So to check out what you need, you go down to vehicle info on the iDrive system, vehicle status, right here to service required, and it needs brake fluid change. I was honestly a bit shocked that the service light come on so soon, because like it was about a month ago that we had the X1 in for service. I went up, made an appointment, and the BMW Canada is quite strict on the actual kilometers and dates for doing services, so they won't do it so far in advance. And George, my service advisor, mentioned to me that it probably was so far off until the brake fluid actually needed to be changed, and that's why they didn't do it at the time. So it's okay, it kind of works out because we need to get this aligned anyway. So yeah, let's get up there and I'll show you guys the brand new BMW M8 when we get up there and see what we get for a loaner. I can do a little bit of review on the loaner. Hopefully I get a car, but we'll see when we get there. Brand new M8 and the M4. We're about to give you guys a sneak peek on a cold start on the M8 competition, but I just wanted to come over and look at this M4 again. This red is just absolutely incredible. I'm not a super big fan of the red, but that red is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if the camera's gonna do it justice, but you should come to the BMW gallery and check out this M4. M8. What do you guys think? Stock M8 competition. That sounds friggin' awesome. All right, so we have a loaner, a 330 for the day, or till we get the X1 back. We got adaptive LED headlights. It's the 2-liter turbocharged engine, white with black interior, LED taillights. Take a look at the trunk. Trunk is definitely bigger than in the F30, that's for sure. Okay, new 3 Series. We got a new interior. We got the new iDrive system, start stop button. That's gonna take some getting used to because I'm used to it here on the dash. Big iDrive knob. It's just to put it into gear and out of gear is just you pull down to go into drive, push forward to go in reverse. It's not actually a gear shift like in the X1. Big, massive entertainment and full screen. The main dash display has your tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, temperature, and then in the middle, we'll start it here, is the navigation, which is pretty phenomenal. Standard controls, heater controls. We got your park, your intelligent safety, so it has lane departure, collision avoidance, and then you can turn it all on, individual, all off. You can configure all your lane departure, collision avoidance. You can configure all that stuff, but let's just leave it all on. When I was driving home, it actually puts a little warning up here. I'll put a clip in right now. That little clip showed you that when the green light comes on, it actually vibrates the steering wheel and pulls you over back into the center of the lane. I gotta say, the new 330 is super comfortable. It drives really, really nice. I mean, it should. It's only got like It's got a total of 382 kilometers on this car. It is brand new. I believe it is a 2020 BMW 330. The seats are amazing. They feel just like the F30s. I love BMW seats. The X1, they screwed it up, but you guys already know about that. The other thing that I am super in love with BMWs is the steering wheel. The steering wheel feels exactly like the BMW F30s. I just love BMW steering wheels. Every one of them that I've ever touched, they've done a fantastic job. And if you guys remember when I bought the Elantra, that was one of the key things that I just loved about the Elantra was the steering wheel. It felt like a BMW steering wheel. So far initial impressions pretty good. Drives really nice. So far it's been good in the snow and the ice. Doesn't have winter tires. It does have the X-Drive system in it, so it's one of the best all-wheel drive systems and produced by BMW. We've got 2 cup holders, USB plugs, a rather large glove box, another large glove box in the center console with a lightning port for charging your phone. You got a cover, super nice gloss black piano finish. That is probably my favorite in the BMWs, is the gloss black finish. This is a 2020 BMW 330. I just looked on the registration, which means it's the G chassis, and it's pretty nice. I would trade this in for the X1 and just do a straight swap. It's pretty nice to have 2 3 Series in the garage. Let's take a comparison video of the new G body versus the F body, and you guys drop a comment below. Let me know which body style you like better. Obviously, I'm going to be biased to the F30 because, well, that's just Quinn. Everybody loves Quinn. Who doesn't love Quinn? But for a daily driver, I'd rock this car for sure. It's a good size, fits really nice in the garage, and let's go outside, do a comparison of the two. New body style, old F30 body style. Headlights, grills have changed. The grills on the F30 actually go through. The grills on the new G body are actually closed off. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but it's the way of the future. It's just BMW's styling, and I doubt my opinion is going to change that. It's about the same length as the F30. It is pretty much the same width as the F30. Obviously, this one sits a little higher than Quinn, obviously, but it's got some nice styling cues. The aluminum around the windows, I'd probably black that out to kind of match the F30. Obviously, if I bought this car, it would need tinted windows. The new taillights, I gotta say, I really like the taillights, especially that they're LED. I like how the trunk, you can pop with your remote, and there's actually a popper in the front. Same shark fin antenna. Signals in the mirrors. They clean the mirrors up a little bit. There's the 2 3 Series. Let me know what you guys think of the brand new 330. I think it's going to be hard to give it back tomorrow after we get the X1 back from the gallery. They're going to do the alignment, brake fluid change. In the meantime, we get to enjoy the 330. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know below what you guys thought of that M8. That M8 was sounds just incredible. What about that M4 or that blue M5? The color on that blue M5 was just spectacular. But like that, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.